Hello my fellow foodies, Aquaba, and welcome. On the menu today, I'll be making some delicious crispy french fries. So come along and let's get cooking, and as always, I truly hope you enjoyed the video. So to begin, I will peel the potatoes, but if you're one who likes their potatoes without peeling the skin, that's also as delicious. Most tend to find it tough and unpleasant to eat without peeling the skin. Just remember to thoroughly wash to get rid of any dirt or debris that may be on the surface of the potatoes. Next, I will cut the heads off of the potatoes. This helps to ensure the fries are all the same length. I will then slice the potatoes into even sizes just like this, which will also determine the thickness of the fries. Now I will cut the potatoes into even strips. Mine are a bit thicker, but you can go thinner with the sizes however you prefer. I will then transfer the potatoes into a bowl. Also in between, I placed a pot of water on the burner to bring it to a boil, as I'll be transferring the potatoes into the boiling water here shortly. So guys, cooking the potatoes before frying them helps to ensure that they're cooked through and even on the inside, which helps create a crispy outer crust when fried, which is what we are aiming for. I will then add some salt to taste, then boil on medium heat for just 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, I will drain the water and place the potatoes in cold water right away and allow it to cool for about 3 minutes. Also guys, all ingredients used will be listed in the description box below. Next, I will drain the potatoes and pat them dry with a kitchen towel or paper towel. Make sure to get them as dry as possible. Once the potatoes are dry, I will then add about 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. So adding the cornstarch will help absorb any extra moisture from the potatoes, which will also result into making our fries super crispy, which is what we are aiming for. I will then toss the potatoes in this motion until they are all covered in cornstarch. Next, I'll place the potatoes in a Ziploc bag, then leave it in the fridge overnight before frying. The Ziploc bag is totally optional. You can place your potatoes in whatever you have available before placing it in the fridge. Also guys, you can place your potatoes in the fridge for a couple of minutes or hours. I only placed mine overnight because I prepped the night before. And lovelies, if you're enjoying this video and you don't want to miss out on future content, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate it. Next to the heated oil, I will carefully add the potato strips and fry for about 5 minutes or until lightly golden. Once the fries are lightly golden, I will remove them from the oil and transfer them onto a strainer or a plate lined with some paper towel. I will then allow the fries to cool down completely for about 30 minutes, then go in for a second fry. Once the 30 minutes is up, I will carefully add the fries back into the hot oil, then fry for a further 3 to 5 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. The fries are now golden brown and crispy and they look absolutely delicious, so I will remove them from the oil and transfer them onto a strainer or a plate lined with paper towel. Next, I will add some Cajun seasoning, then toss it in. You can also sprinkle any seasonings of your choice. Most commonly used is salt, but you can go in with garlic, Parmesan cheese, onion powder, or even paprika. So I will toss to ensure the seasoning is well incorporated onto the fries. Now listen in for this crunchiness. Thank you so much for cooking with me as always, and I truly hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give me a like and smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next one.